Ka All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association hak arp Sautrik Jemang, kala pynlong da ke jingialang ban pynkup burom kerpang ya kiri urang ba kunjuk ki nomi khmat ki hek sorkar ki balaya rap bat ai mensim ha ka ban pen urlong ya ki jingdawa ka seng na ka benta ka bet ka biang ki syakri ki batrei hapok ka syatri jong ka SSA. Ha kini ke jingialang ka ba isyong kun bala pynlong ha community hall dor bar shnong govling pentor ungkra shlong. Lawan bandon lang da u Gabriel wa lang MLA nong stoin kum ukongsan Roy Kuparsen Rem President HYC Central Body kum usumbut kongsan rengkat ki Block Mission Coordinator SSA jong kathan East Khasi Hills but Southwest Khasi Hills. Ya ka jingialang la penyai da usalan kamar ha ka baka kong JJ Rem President AMSNSA kala ai ki kentin mait phang kat ba u bari kupar melim ngap Secretary AMSNSA ha bakut jong ka jingalang ula ai ki kentir sngongu. Ka kong JJ Rem ha ka jingkren kala pun ken mau ha pedeng ki khot halor ki jingya ki ba arpois ngi ka seng ha usnem arajar arpusau bandawa ya ka hokum ki syakri ka SSA ki badon ka jingkit kli ban tre na ka benta ki kambaya dei bat ka puli puthi hapok ka jela. Ha ka jingya dei bat ka ni ka sngi ka JJ Rem kapan pauru ke jing songu ke bakrau ya ki hek sorkar ke tenar education ki nong mi khmat ki seng bhalang bat ki riurang ba ki ba ai bor ai mensim bat kershan ya ka seng na ki por syakipor kat hadu balala ban pen urlong ya ki jing trang jing angnut ka seng na kaliang US skemalon BMC mau plang blong ula ong kumbaka sorkar kala aya ke jingdawa jong pi baro ki badon hapok kalama jong ka AMSNSA tuma piru nang yai treshtom ban pendep hok ya laki kamram ba pi dei ban le ha kanu kanu kopor knang baka puli puthi haman ki school kan yai ki harn kat ke jingla jong pi ban penjana ya karukom trekam kat kum kajuk kapor. U Gabriel wa langkum ukongsan haba keren ula ong ba ka jingya be ya yang ti ki kam ha ka jingya dei bat ka puli puthi hapok ka jela dei ka jing don jong pi ki briu ki batre jar jar yala ka kamram da ka jingkit khli kat ba uroi ku parsen rem kum usumbut kongsan ula ong bangiwan sya kini ka sla perthei rengkat ka hok bat ka jingkit khli kumta kum ba phi la yo ya ka hok ba phi la dawan na ka sorkar tolong ru kita ki briu ki badan ke jingkit khli ban pendep ya laki jong ki kamram ha ka ban pentulun ya ka shalntem jong ki kam ha ka bai de bat ka puli puthi hapok ka jela shu ya ka ni ka sngi la pen shong shet bat pen phu pen phing da ki jing shat bat jing ruai bala shem banta da ki khot ka AMSNSA na rilum garo bat na khasi
to the society like the non-teaching staff are not just support systems. You are the partners in the process, the progress. Any talk of improving the quality of education in Meghalaya must include your welfare, your recognition, and your empowerment. As we facilitate today, and I must thank the associations, gratitude, it almost lost in this present world. We very often talk about success of education. We think it's all only of the classroom and the teachers. But behind every well-functioning school, it is dedicated by a team of tireless behind the scenes. Our office staff, clerks, your data entry operator, and all the non-teaching staff, who ensure that the wheel of education system turns smoothly every single day. You are the silent strength of our mission. Your contribution may not always seem on the blackboard, but they are felt in every textbook delivered on time. Every salary is processed, every report submitted, and every child who received right support at the right time. It is your efficiency, your commitment, your perseverance that keeps the foundation of the SSA strong. The path you have chosen is not always easy. There are challenges to be an administrative, logistics, or financial. But you have continued with dignity, professionalism, and loyalty to the cause of education. For that, we owe you not just our thanks, but our utmost respect.
Each one of us has a distinct role when we come to this world, or when we work in any sphere. And if we have that role, we also have the right that you all have been demanded, and today you have got whatever you demand. But we also have to understand that with every right, there comes a responsibilities also. I believe that if you have the right, you also have the responsibilities. I just want to remind you the word of Louis Schwellenbach. He said these words: every right has its responsibilities. Like the right itself, these responsibilities stem from no man made law, but from the very nature of man and society. The security, progress, and welfare of one group is measured finally in the security, progress, and welfare of all mankind. And I believe that the association or the members of this association, you have an important role to play when it comes to the education sector in the state as a whole. You are the wheels that runs this education sector in whatever sphere you have been put. Maybe at the block level, at the cluster level, at the directorate level, or whatever level. It is not possible for the government to, even if we have the best of education minister in the state, or even if we have the best of the chief minister in the state, if they don't have that hand that all of you have to perform your particular job, your particular responsibility that you have been put,